Hey everyone! We're continuing our walkthrough now of SpongeBob Squarepants BFBB. And we're going to be doing Jellyfish Fields today. And we're going to only do it so that we have 5 spatulas because, like I said in the last video, the form that we're going to be doing is the same form that we did in the last walkthrough. Meaning, we're going to get the same amount of spatulas as we use, as they say, to open up places, but we're going to stop at that amount so that we can do that new place. And then, after like the robot battle, because the next number of spatulas we need to get is like 25 after the Poseidon, which is later on in the walkthrough, we're going to collect every other spatula from the other places and just like open the free places and open up the other spatulas in the second part of Bikini Bottom and such. Okay, so like I said, we're going to be doing Jellyfish Fields today. And since, like I said in the last video, since YouTube only gives me 10 minutes, we're going to just, since there's like a few places, this will be named Part 2, in parentheses, Jellyfish Fields 1 of 4. Because if I can get it done in 10 minutes, we're going to try to do each of the places in Jellyfish Fields. If you guys know what I'm talking about. So we're going to do Jellyfish Fields now. And then I'll just tell you up front, there's not going to be we're only gonna get 2 spatulas.
A place to experience nature at its most raw.
If you guys know what I mean.
A bit tender from the stings.
Give me that beans. Okay, so now here's where robots get introduced, and we're facing a fodder right now. And now I'm just gonna open the teleport box. And I forgot to tell you in the beginning, in the last video, there are 8 socks in Bikini Bottom and 14 socks here in Jellyfish Fields. But, like I said, since sometimes people say we should trade the socks to patch...
Jellyfish today, I'm going fishing for robots.
Since sometimes people say, you should trade the socks when you have 10, we're going to collect all the socks in the game before we pay Patrick. And we're going to pay all the clams first before we pay Mr. Krabs. Just so it could be easier that way. Jeez, I'm running out of time. Okay, so I have like 6:40. So I don't know how we're gonna get this done. See, and right here's a checkpoint. Yeah, and then you notice what I mean when I said in the beginning of the video how we were going to try to do it so that we need so that we needed how we were going to do it, like one place at a time. We are going to try to do that. You know what I mean? Because there are 4 parts to this place. Because the place we're in is Jellyfish Rock. And then when we finish talking to Mermaid Man in the next part, that's when we're going to stop the video. If you guys know what I'm talking about. Because I'm going to try to complete the walkthrough, and I'm gonna try to complete the game and try to fit all the parts on you. Try to fit all the parts on YouTube, like Raijo 911. See, I got a sock, and then you see we're collecting 100 shiny objects right now. And now we're going up towards another spatula. And see, we're facing a cannon right now. And you see, a lot of spike balls are coming.
Hey, Gary, what's...
And then we're just going to open that one. Because we need to continue and hurry. And we're going to face a new robot, which is called a hammer, in just any second. And we're going to get another checkpoint too. See right now. And he's 25 shiny objects when you defeat him, by the way. See, and we're getting all the shiny objects that are loose. And we're going to do that game later on. So did you know what I was meaning when I was saying that we are going to try to get the number of spatulas? You notice how I said some of them we're not going to get? That's because we need to get 5 in order to open the next place. So we're just going to... You're going to see the full jellyfish field, but you're not going to see me get some spatulas because we're going to try to open all the places, but get the amount of spatulas we need, exactly the amount to open the next place. Like I'm going to try to fit, like this will be named Part 2, in parentheses, Jellyfish Fields 1 of 4. And we're going to, try to, Jellyfish Fields 1 of 4. And we're going to try to get it done in 10 minutes. Because, like I said, we're going to stop after we finish talking to Mermaid Man. Like, stop the video. Okay, so you see, I'm going to get another sock in just a second. See, I just got it. Okay, so we're going to head over towards another sock because if you go across these mushrooms, as well as that sock we just got up there after you go up from the first mushroom on the 4th floating tiki up at the top, see, if you go across all these mushrooms, you get another sock here. And now we're going to head back. Like that. Okay, so now we're going to come over here and open the teleport box and then just fast forward through what these are saying. Again. Like I did in the last video. So I'm going to see if I can aim to... Darn it. Okay. There we go. See, I was trying to make a robot hit the Duplicatron so that it would be killed at the same time. So I'm going to touch this button to open that. And then, go to the next place. And then, after we talk to Mermaid Man, and open the teleport...
Mermaid Man! That's wet. Must...
See? And then there's those colors in the sky, which sometimes I don't like, and I don't know why those are there. But we're going to stop the video after I open the teleport box, and then just get these red shiny objects. So we're going to stop the part here. And then in the next video, we're going to be doing Jellyfish Caves.